Here's the old console lid. It was cracked and had no cover. Here's the new lid. I ordered it from a dealer site. To find the part, I entered the make and model, selected the body category, selected center console. The lid is part 18, available in different colors. I only saw leather on the sites that I checked. I ordered this one. During checkout, the VIN number was requested to confirm the correct part number, and it came in about 3 days as one piece ready to install. There are 3 steps to remove the lid. First, remove the back panel with something flat. I recommend wearing gloves to avoid being cut by sharp edges. Second, remove these clips from around the pins on the left and right side. This is the hardest part. I push downward with 2 screwdrivers. The last step is to pull out this pin from each side. I push from the outside with the screwdriver to get it going, then pull from the inside with pliers once I had enough to grip. The lid can be removed after that. You'll need large pliers to squeeze the pins back in all the way. And after the clips are back on, the panel snaps on by hand.